Hello, welcome to Yummy Sessions. My name is Miriam Bernal from the DuPont Country Club, and today I'm going to be making herb crusted salmon, mashed potatoes, Brussels sprouts with a white creamy sauce. First, we'll start with the potatoes. Peel and cut the potatoes evenly. Fill with water, add a pinch of salt, and cook until they are soft, which can be around 20 minutes. Once the potatoes are ready, drain the water and mix half a cup of heavy cream and 4 tablespoons of butter. You can melt using the microwave. We're now going to mash the potatoes along with the melted butter. Add salt and pepper to taste. For the herb crust, we'll mix the breadcrumbs, butter, salt and pepper, parsley, and rosemary together. To prepare the salmon, we'll season with salt and pepper. To add more flavor, I personally like to add Dijon mustard. This is optional. Next, we'll sear the bottom of the salmon on an oiled pan at high temperature. This will only take a couple of minutes until the bottom is brown. Next, we will top with the herb crust mixture. Preheat the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We will season the Brussels sprouts with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, salt, and pepper. You can now place the Brussels sprouts and the salmon in the oven. We will bake the salmon for about 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. For the creamy white sauce, in a pan set to medium-high temperature, we will mix the olive oil, garlic, and cook until lightly brown. Then add the heavy cream and Parmesan. Stir until lightly thickens. Once ready, add a pinch of salt and pepper. Remember to keep an eye on the Brussels sprouts. Once they are golden brown, they are ready to be removed from the oven. In a lightly oiled pan, we will saute the onions and mushrooms. To plate, add a spoonful of mashed potatoes. Place the Brussels sprouts, mushrooms, and onions on top. Add the salmon and finish it off with the creamy white sauce. I encourage you to make this lovely, easy, and delicious recipe. If you have liked this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.